video we're going to look at how to use FXDraw in Pages on an Apple Mac. To begin with, we need to have both Pages and FXDraw open on our taskbar or our dock. Once they're both open, if we want to create a graphic to include in a Pages document, change over to FXDraw, draw your diagram, so we'll create Pascal's triangle, and once you've completed that, push on the green check mark and you'll turn to Pages, go into Pages and paste your new graphic. And depending on the resolution you've got set, you might have to do some resizing, and that graphic is now in your Pages document. The second job you will have to do is to edit an existing graphic. So this collection of circles is an existing graphic. If I right click on that graphic and say copy, it goes to the clipboard. When I change over to FXDraw, FXDraw will find the embedded graphic ID and load the appropriate data, and I can modify the graphic if I wish. Green check mark, which will return to Apple Pages, won't update the graphic until I paste the new one. So that's how you use FXDraw in Pages for an Apple Mac.